Good day. Today I will demonstrate George Folia's four-step problem solving by applying it to Fibonacci sequence. Folia's method provides systematic way of approaching and solving problems through four important steps. First, understanding the problem, which is identifying what is being asked. Second, devise a plan, thinking of possible strategy or formula to use. 3. Carry out the plan, applying the chosen method to solve the problem. And step 4, reviewing the solution, checking and reflecting if the answer makes a sense. Now, let's proceed to step 1, which is understanding the problem. The problem says, find f of 10 using the Fibonacci formula, which is f sub n is equal to f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. We are asked to find the 10th Fibonacci number. The Fibonacci sequence begins with 1 and 1, and each new term is the sum of the two before it. Our task is to compute the f of 10. Step 2. Devise a plan. We could use a clearer method is to build the sequence step by step until we reach the 10th term. We could use a clearer method which is 1 and 1, and each new term is the sum of the two before it, like this. And now, let's proceed to the step 3, carry out the plan. By adding each term to the one before it, the sequence goes to 1 and start with the 1 and 1, and now add these two, magiging 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and add each number to the one before it means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, until we reach the 10th term of the Fibonacci number, which is 55. And now, let's find the f of 10 using this formula, which is the f sub n is equal to f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. And then, change the value of n, which is the 10. F of 10 is minus 1 plus f of 10 minus 2. It's equal to f 9 plus f of 8. And now we find the f of 9, which is the method we use in carry out the plan. And then we find the f of 9, which is 34. Plus, we find the f of 8, which is 21. Now, using these two, we could add the 34 plus 21, which is the f of 10 is equal to 55. And the answer is 55. Now, let's proceed to the step 4, which is review the solution. In conclusion, by applying Folia's four-step problem-solving strategy, we first understood the problem, which is the step 1, find the f of 10. Then, made a plan, which is the method we use. Third, carry it out step by step. And finally, check our result. We confirm that 55 is the 10th Fibonacci number since it follows the sequence correctly.